Dig down and around your pipe, making sure it's clean all around, and open up your tapping saddle bag. There is only a few parts to the tapping saddle: both sides of the saddle, the ring seal in the middle, and the bolts. Make sure your pipe is clean so it allows a good seal. Now use your bolts and push through the back side of the saddle. Place the back side of the saddle on the pipe on the right orientation that you want it facing. Grab the front side of the saddle and make sure the seal is pushed in correctly. Push through the bolts to the front side of the saddle, and now twist on your nuts evenly. Using a small socket set or ratchet, tighten up your bolts around the pipe. Making sure each side has even pressure. Now get a drill bit or a spade bit like I do here and drill out the pipe in the centre of the saddle. Make sure your drill or spade bit is smaller than the thread on the inside of the saddle so it doesn't hit the thread and the seal. To make sure the water is turned off, place your drill bit in the middle of the opening and slowly drill through just one side of the pipe. Once it's through, give it a clean out. Now you're ready to add your fittings.